darkness falls to your brand, to terrorize all your clients. The midnight hour is close at hand. Luckily, you have Placeit on your side.
Halloween is just one night a year, but you can have fun the whole month with Placeit's cool seasonal assets, which are perfect for all your marketing material. Make yours quickly without having to sacrifice quality. Edit logos, mockups, videos, and design templates with just a few clicks. Create high-quality mockups of whatever you want, including t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, and ton of other products. Just select the scene, select the model, and then you're ready to place your image on the mockup right in your browser, without downloading any extra software. And that's it. This one is ready to be used. We don't just have the largest library, we are also the easiest way to make mockups. You can also create your own design on the page. There is no better way to celebrate such a spooky season, but with a creative design you can use everywhere. Write a cool phrase, select your colors, choose a font and the illustration. Our smart templates adjust as you make content edits. We've now added the ability for you to step in, move and resize layers as well. How cool is that? Or what about creating your own logo? Each template is carefully made by design experts, so your work will always look great. And we're adding hundreds of more options every week. You're bound to find the one that makes you howl. And not only that, mix and match the slides to create one-of-a-kind videos that will leave your content looking incredible. Slideshow videos, Instagram stories, intro templates, and also product demos. Ready to be shown in no time. Simply pick a video maker, type your text, pick your colors, and select a song from our massive audio library to finally download your finished video. Choose any of the stunning templates and see how easy it is to make a dynamic, engaging, and appealing video. Yes, with Placeit, that and more is possible. Having a horrible business image, well, that's scary. Get over that curse and open your eyes into a new way of designing and fall in love with Placeit's spooky designs this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and find our mysterious secret link down in the description box.
Happy Halloween!